As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile operates on the O2 network, providing reliable 4G LTE connectivity alongside growing 5G options. To activate 4G on your Tesco Mobile device, first ensure your device supports 4G LTE. Next, activate your SIM card through Tesco's online portal or app. This step registers your SIM on the network and is essential for connectivity. Make sure the SIM card is properly inserted into your device. Incorrect insertion can prevent network connection. The most crucial step is verifying your APN settings. Tesco Mobile's standard APN is everywhere, with blank username and password. Incorrect APN settings cause most connectivity issues. Finally, in your phone's settings under Cellular or Mobile Networks, select LTE or 4G as the preferred network mode. This ensures you connect to 4G for speeds up to 150 megabit per second. Having trouble getting a strong 4G signal? Let's troubleshoot. Start with the basics. Make sure you're in an area with decent coverage. Tesco Mobile offers a coverage checker app to help. Physical obstructions can weaken signals, so move away from walls or buildings. Wi-Fi calling is a great option for areas with poor signal but available Wi-Fi. Consider signal booster accessories from Tesco Mobile's online store if you consistently experience weak signals at home or work. As a bonus tip, altitude can sometimes boost your signal. Also, be aware that Tesco Mobile has phased out 3G, so 4G is your baseline. For future-proofing, consider dual-mode 4G/5G plans for seamless transitions. Proactive management of these settings will ensure optimal 4G performance.